My name is Jason Christian. I'm a 2019 Pilchuck artist at work.
My name is Courtney Peterson, and I'm one of the 2019 Pilchuck artists at work.
Being at Pilchuck Glass School has helped my career immensely. It's been amazing. And the experiences I've had at Pilchuck, I couldn't get anywhere else.
Pilchuck has helped me out a lot. When I first moved to Seattle, I didn't know anyone, and I started working in the factories. And Pilchuck, going up there, you meet all sorts of different people from all over the world. And you have this commonality where you share this passion of something you love. It's a new thing. Like, it's just to keep going back, and basically it's like the family I got to choose outside of my immediate family. So it's changed my life for the best.
I hope that people coming up during the spring tours to see Morgan and I working and see the campus can take away the passion and the focus that we put into the work and the love for the school that we have.
Well, for the people that come up, it's like just such a special thing. It's such an amazing place that we're only here because of this place and people like Dale Chihuly. And I hope that they get a sense of what an important impact Pilchuck has been on the studio glass movement and as a practice, as an art form.
Come see us at Pilchuck Glass School.